Stretching across northern China, the Great Wall stands as a testament. Today, it offers breathtaking views and an insight into China's rich heritage, perseverance, and defense. Nestled in the Jordanian desert, Petra's rock-carved structures astonish travelers. Once a bustling trade hub, it flourished under the Nabatae civilization. Its intricate facades and the awe-inspiring treasury invite students to explore the mysteries of cultural exchange and ancient architectural brilliance. High above Rio de Janeiro, Christ the Redeemer embodies faith and unity. Crafted over 9 years, this statue, rich in artistic significance, represents peace. Surrounded by lush landscapes, it encourages discussions on intercultural harmony and provides a stunning backdrop for reflections on spirituality. Shrouded in clouds, Machu Picchu reveals the grandeur of the Inca Empire. Perched in the Andes Mountains, it showcases unique construction techniques and the Incas' reverence for nature. Encourage students to delve into archaeology and conservation efforts safeguarding this historical treasure. In the heart of Mexico, Chichen Itza unveils the genius of Mayan astronomers. The Pyramid of Kukulkan, a masterful calendar and temple, exemplifies their advanced knowledge. Use these wondrous ruins to stir dialogues about celestial observations and the scientific achievements of ancient civilizations. Rome's iconic Colosseum, a marvel of Roman engineering, hosted grand spectacles in ancient times. This ancient amphitheater reflects Rome's cultural patronage and architectural evolution. Engaging students in discussions about societal development through entertainment, it leaves an enduring impact on learning. A symbol of love, the Taj Mahal enchants with its ethereal beauty. Commissioned by Emperor Shah Jahan, it tells the story of devotion through its majestic domes and intricate carvings. The blend of Islamic, Persian, and Indian styles offers insights into artistic fusion and cultural affection. As these wonders come alive, breathe life into your lessons, inspiring students to explore, learn, and dream. Encourage them to cherish our world's legacy and shape its future. Stories foster curiosity and let history guide them on a path of discovery and understanding.